Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off autoplay videos in YouTube homepage. Actually, when we try to use the YouTube application, that time we can see YouTube video is playing automatically without click on that video. So let's open my YouTube. Okay, now if I try to scrolling down, you can see that video is playing without click on that video. So just it will consume your lots of data. This is really problematic. So how you can actually turn off this autoplay video in your YouTube application. So if you really want to learn how you can do that, then please watch this video till the end. And before starting the video, I'll ask you something, that if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. So let's jump in the process. First of all, make sure your YouTube application is up to date. After updating your YouTube application, click on here your account icon. After that, click on the settings icon in the top corner. Then from here, go to general. Then you will see here lots of options. You just need to click on playback in feeds. Then select here off. That's it, your work is done. Now just get back from here and go to your YouTube homepage. As you can see here, now my YouTube videos are not playing automatically. That's it. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. And if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment. I'll try my best to help you.